How to enable recommended videos on YouTube. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable recommended videos on YouTube if they're not showing. So first things first, open your YouTube app and make sure you sign into your YouTube account. Recommendation only work properly when YouTube can track your watch history. Now go to settings, simply go to settings and go to history and privacy if you can find that. Here, as you can see, and if pause watch history is turned on, simply turn that option off. Like as you can see, I don't have pause history. If it was here, you can find pause history at the top, and if it is on, simply turn that option off. YouTube uses your watch history to recommend videos. Now, if you're on mobile and still not seeing recommended videos, you can go to your phone app settings, find YouTube, and simply tap on clear cache. If you can find that option, simply tap on it. Now, what you can also do is simply watch, like, and interact with a few videos. Then YouTube will start building your recommendation profile again. It may take a few hours to fully refresh. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on YouTube's recommended videos.